Ew, don't eat it. You gotta sweep it up, it's garbage. Is that a dustpan? You know how to use the broom? We're going to have to teach you. Look, Tyler, look. What is that? Did you see the broom? Did you see the broom? Go grab it. Go grab the broom. Want to clean something up? Want to help me sweep?
Bring the broom over here. There's stuff under the tree. Get the broom. Go get the broom. No, the broom, not the car. No. Look, Grandma, I'll show you. Let's get the broom. It keeps coming back to him. It pushes and it comes back to him.
That's cool. You hear it sweeping?
Get your dustpan. Good, she got a terrible cough. Tyler, get the dustpan. I know I didn't.
He's like, see you later.